Hello, once again I'm Dr. Nathan Leavitt. Today I'm going to show you the second part of the exercise which I showed you last time, which is spinal molding. So the first part of the exercise is the spinal stretches with the 3 different planes of motion. And now I'm going to show you how to do the spinal molding part of the exercise. And what that does is it helps to mold the natural curves back into your spine. Okay, if you look at this poster here, you can see this lady from the side. If you look at her spine, you can see the normal shape of the spine, how it should be. You can see that there's 3 curves there. You can see in her neck, there's a forward curve, and then in the mid-back, there's a reverse curve in the mid-back, and then in the low back, there's a forward curve. So it forms an S shape, and that's the normal shape of the spine. This is the shape of the spine that we want to maintain. It helps to keep your spine healthy. When your spine is in this shape, it's going to help to absorb the everyday stresses that we face, including gravity. And as you keep this shape in your spine, it's going to help to prevent degeneration. If you see that on the right side of the poster, you can see the different phases of degeneration. And what happens is if you lose the natural curves in your spine, it's going to cause degeneration, which basically is misalignments of the spine, and then degeneration or wearing and tearing of the discs, and then eventually can lead to permanent nerve problems. So I'm going to show you this exercise of spinal molding, and it's a real simple exercise. And so I'm going to show you the last part of this exercise. I'm Dr. Leavitt again. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this exercise, how to do the spinal molding. If you see here, I've got 2 pieces here. This is high density foam, which helps to act as fulcrums to help increase the natural curves in the spine. I've got a piece for the neck and a piece for the low back. If you don't have these, you can use towels at home. I've recommended my patients rolling up a bath towel and putting it under the neck or the low back, and it acts as fulcrums to help increase the natural curves in your low back. You want to do these exercises or this spinal molding right after you do the spinal stretches. In another video I showed you how to do the 3 different planes of motion, or the spinal ligament muscle stretches for the spine. And so this exercise is spinal molding, which is the last part of the exercise. You do it right after. And it's going to help to increase the natural curves in your spine. So what you can do, I'll just show you. You're going to put the neck piece up here. You're going to take the lumbar piece. You can put it just under the last rib right here, okay, in the small of your low back. And again, you can just roll up a towel, put it there, and you're going to lay back over the piece, okay, or the towel, and you're going to lay there, and it's going to push into that natural curve in your low back. And then you're going to take the neck piece and put it under your neck. And you're just going to lay there for about 20 minutes. And again, if you do this consistently each day, it's going to help to restore the natural curves in your spine and prevent degeneration of the spine. So it's a real good exercise. I recommend that you do it. It will really help your spine.